my ears.
Feeling rowdy today. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is just a chill sunset ride. You know how it is. I love my sunset rides. Weather is beautiful. I filmed my previous video that you guys should have seen yesterday, or oh my, woo, that's a pretty nice Lambo, yo. Love that color. I'm gonna go slow so hopefully it can like catch up to me. Let's go in the slow lane and just wait for it. But yeah, you guys know how it is. I love my sunset rides, so that's exactly what we are doing. And yeah, I was saying, if you guys didn't see my last video, I did launch control, a highly requested video on this channel. Finally tried it for the first time on my H2, and it was a little stressful, but at the same time it was a lot of fun. Lambo is not going to be joining me. Thought I was in the slow lane, but he's in the slower lane apparently. Nah, he's turning. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the beautiful H2 contents. I actually ended up ordering the Scorpion helmet, you guys. This helmet is very suffocating, and people were right. It is a little too loud, and comfort wise it's not too bad, honestly, but it's, I know I can't talk while going because the helmet gets really loud. Nice. I think that's the Aprilia RSV4 Tuono or something like that. It's like their kind of like naked version of the RSV4. Sounds pretty good. I like the sound of Aprilia's. Keep forgetting this bump is super steep. Sounds like I hit the front fender because my bike is lowered too. Are you sure? Oh, my ears.
Vibrates my ear.
Bruh, my ears are done. Whew. As always. today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a chill video, hanging out with some friends. Took you guys along. If you did, please like the video and leave a comment. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.